Welcome back viewers to Nutritious Food. Ramadan is the 9th holy month and the 4th pillar of Islam. In this month, Allah revealed the Holy Quran to the Holy Prophet for the guidance of the people. Muslims worship as much as possible during this month and fast from sunrise to sunset. When the month of Ramadan arrives, the gates of heaven are opened, the gates of hell are closed. In this month, Muslims refrain not only from food and drink, they also refrain from sexual activity, all kinds of immoral behaviors, including impure or unkind thoughts. Thus, false words or bad deeds or intentions are as destructive of a fast as is eating or drinking. Fast from dawn to dusk is compulsory for each adult who are acutely or chronically ill, not in traveling, pregnant, breastfeeding, or menstruation. Healthy eating during Ramadan is beneficial or useful for health. In Ramadan it is not an easy way to lose weight. In Ramadan, iftar meal is major cause of overeating. So, try to eat balanced food in Ramadan. Enough and nutritious food help to achieve weight loss goal and fat loss goal. Don't skip suhur, pre-dawn meal. Reduced salt and sugar intake in suhur meal, it will help to avoid thirst during the fasting hours. To stay hydrated, use more water during eating hours. To stay active, don't lay down after suhur and iftar. Do some walk and lightweight exercise to stay healthy and active. Eating healthy food make you feel better, help to reduce body cholesterol levels, control blood glucose levels. So, try to eat nutritious food in your daily life. Today we'll discussing very interesting topic. Ramadan diet chart. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more daily information like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. In this video, we offer you an easy and simple diet chart. These chart things take no more time to make. These are easily available in your kitchen. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe it. Thanks for watching the video.